friends. My name is Dennis Grootvaart. I'm here to tell you what I am doing on my own website, my Facebook fan page, and my YouTube channel, and to tell you what I can do for you. I'm going to tell you 4 things, and I'm going to ask you one thing. First, I am creating and editing short videos from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Second, I have 3 programs on my Facebook fan page. Third, what I'm doing at my YouTube channel is that I give a training webinar every month, and I upload these same videos at my YouTube channel to show the people what I can do for them. Number 4, what I can do for you. What I can do for you is place your advertisement on these videos and my webinar. I can place your ads for $50 a whole year on my videos because people are viewing and are clicking on these videos because they like it, and you will like it too. I'm glad that you know now what I am doing on my own website, my Facebook fan page, and my YouTube channel, and what I can do for you. Finally, what I'm asking you is to email me. I'm glad you are sending me emails and you are sending me videos. Email me so that I can email you. God bless you. Until the next email or video. Bye.